Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Set a 2-week rolling plan that repeats core topics every 14 days and locks in retrieval practice. Block study into focused sessions of 45 minutes with 10-minute breaks, and use a 25-minute Pomodoro for difficult facts. At the start of each week, choose 3 priorities: 1 theme, 1 set of primary sources, and 1 practice question. On weekends, allocate at least 3 hours to consolidate timelines, revise key dates, and do a timed past paper to track progress and adjust the plan. Write concise one-line summaries for events, and always link causes and consequences visually with arrows or color coding. This helps essays explain continuity and change. Create a single-page timeline that highlights the 10 most critical dates with short labels and one-line significance for each to speed recall. For source work, annotate 1 primary source per topic with provenance, purpose, tone, and bias notes. Practice explaining how provenance alters reliability in 3 sentences. Spend 5 minutes planning each essay, and then 45 minutes writing a clear, structured answer using peel paragraphs. Point, evidence, explanation, link. Practice 3 timed past papers every month, treat them as real exams, and mark them against the official rubric to track score improvements and common errors. For source questions, use a 3-step routine. State the claim, support it with evidence from the extract, then evaluate bias, provenance, and utility. Habitually write concise conclusions that answer the question directly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.